Hey, we are crawling on all fours, and today I am doing the first trail run with my new Rock Pirates RC crawler. This crawler is a custom truck, and it has been an absolute blast to build and to share here on YouTube with RC and rock crawling enthusiasts like you. Wait a second, I just realized that the acronym for rock crawling is RC. So does that make this segment of the hobby RC squared?
So dumb, it's brilliant. No! It's just dumb!
Thank you so much to all of my subscribers and to those of you that might only tune in here and there. If you have been watching my other videos, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this in the future. If you know of anyone that might enjoy watching content like this, be sure to pass it on. And please give us a thumb way up if you enjoy these videos. I do want to make a special mention and some clarification about the brushed motor and ESC that I talked about in the previous video. When I built this truck, I installed a few parts I already had, including a 21-turn RC four-wheel drive brushed motor and a Reedy ESC I ESC, the same ESC that came standard in the Element Enduro Sendero trail trucks. This combination was great to get the wheels rolling and begin testing, and in all honesty, I was a happy puppy. My point is that I didn't want to undermine the performance of the RC four-wheel drive motor or the Reedy ESC, since they're both great in many other applications, just like what you see here. And frankly, I failed to mention how well the combination actually did perform from a scale perspective, meaning that it demonstrated a level of realism that was more comparable to full-scale trucks with combustion engines. So all in all, I hope my previous video did not come off as snooty or snotty. And if you haven't seen my previous video yet, I've put a link in the description below and a video card at the end of this short video. This trail run was exactly that. There are no slow-mo shots, no critical testing or problem solving, and no sponsors. Just some good old-fashioned RC fun. I was at the tail end of my first day on the trails, so I had already turned around and I was moving at a let's go home pace. Needless to say, I was not disappointed at all, as this truck was swift, fun, and enjoyable, which is what the RC hobby is all about, right? Now how about you? Are you a once-in-a-blue-moon RC driver? Are you at every competition meet every month? Do you spend weekends in the garage or in your basement upgrading your RC cars and trucks? We'd love to hear your comments if you'd like to share them below. Until then, enjoy the rest of this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And keep crawling.